In today's video, we'll learn how you can earn from YouTube without being monetized. That is, you are yet to cover your 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Still, you can start earning from your first video if you have found a niche and your users are watching your videos, right? So, so this is my other channel, and you can see this is a video of mine, wherein you can see in the video description I have included some 5 to 6 links. So this is called as affiliate marketing, and this is not the one which I described, wherein we are talking about YouTube's affiliate marketing with Flipkart and Mintra, right? This is where I have registered with different platforms because mine channel is based on travel. So these all links are of affiliate partners on travel portals. So you can see these first two are related to tours and packages, and these are primarily from uh, platforms like Get Your Guide, where I have become an affiliate partner. Then we have Klook. I have become an affiliate partner on them also, of Viator also, and on Booking.com I have become an affiliate partner for the stays, right? And I'm including all those links in my description. So you can see over here, these are of Viator links, these are of Booking.com for the stay which I had taken in Hurghada. And you can see at the end there is an travel credit card referral link also. So if you are using any kind of credit cards which is pertaining, so I discuss all these things in this video, where I've stayed in the video, what kind of tour package I had availed to roam around in this video in Hurghada, and also which cards I had used while exploring in Hurghada or Egypt, right? So I included the referral link for those also in my description. So this, if any user clicks on the description and clicks any of these links and applies or avails the package, I get a commission out of it straight away. And the commission models are different for each one. So you can go on these websites and see what the commission models are, and you can straight away start earning from the first video. So in this case, since mine is a channel based on travel, I incorporate tour packages partners and travel partners. But there are so many partners you can have who run their affiliate programs. One such is cashkaro.com, right? So this cashkaro.com is where you can become an register and earn referral rewards. So you can, they also have a referral package wherein if you refer anyone you get a commission, right? So if you are driving somewhere, informing people about how to get the best deals online in India on your shopping, you can include referral links of Cash Karo or Top Cashback, which is yet another website wherein you get cashback for all your purchases. Top Cashback, which is yet another site wherein you get again cashback for all your purchases. So the idea is you should list down all the affiliate partners which are available in your domain for your niche, and start registering them as a partner and start incorporating them in your YouTube video description, so that you can start earning without getting monetized from day one on YouTube. It is essential to do this from the first video itself, else what I did was that I became aware of this opportunity very later in my YouTube journey, and then I had to register and incorporate links in all my videos which were already published, and it took a lot of effort. So my suggestion is, since the start, look out for such affiliate partners, Google them, register, and start incorporating these links in your video description. If you are able to call out this affiliate links in your videos, more the better, because I had incorporated this once my videos were published, so I did not have a call out. If you are aware, it is better you have a call out that you can mention that if you are keen to avail this package, I have incorporated the link for this tour in the video description. That gives you a better chance of basically getting generating a revenue out of it. I hope this was useful. For more such tips and tricks, do subscribe to our channel, like this video, and keep following us for more such content.